Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
One of the most powerful features in Excel is the ability to calculate numerical information using formulas. Now, Excel uses standard operators for formulas such as a plus sign for addition, a minus sign for subtraction, an asterisk for multiplication, a forward slash for division, and a caret for exponents. Now, all formulas in Excel must begin with an equal sign. This is because the cell contains or is equal to the formula and the value it calculates. Now, let's create a formula. So I have a table over here. Now, I want to add the totals of these two. So what you do first is you select the cell that will contain the formula. So I'll select this, then type an equal sign. Then from here, type the cell address of the cells that you want to add. So I want to add B2. So I'll type in B2 plus B3. Then as you can see, the cells will be highlighted. This is to make sure that for you to confirm whether you've entered the right cell addresses. Then once you're done, click enter and Excel will display the answer for you. Now, we use cell references instead of values to give you the ability to change your original value without having to retype your formula. Now, look at this. If I come here and change the value of this, so it was 35,000, but I'll type in 2,000, then click enter. As you can see, it will automatically update itself. Now, let's look at multiplication. Now, I want to multiply the quantity and the price per unit of each of these items. So again, you come here, you start by typing in an equal sign. But now instead of entering the addresses manually, we're going to use the point and click method. Now just click the cell that you want to enter. So I'll click this one. Then use an asterisk for multiplication. Click the other cell. Then once I've confirmed, I click enter. And as you can see, it will give me the totals. Now you can use the autofill handle over here to automatically add the formulas to the other cells over here. Now, instead of coming here and retyping the formula again and over here and again, I can actually autofill them with each of their own answers. So just select this cell, then click on this autofill hand over here, then drag it out. And this is a quick way to add formula to several cells at once. Again, let's use the point and click method over here. So I want to add the totals of all this, but I'll use the point and click method. So first enter an equal sign, then click. So we are adding, that is. Again, click and plus, click again. As you can see, I'm just clicking on those cells. Then once I'm done, I'll click enter and it will add it up for me.